Hey Al, what's up?
Let's see. The neural matrix of this autonomous simulacrum retains an imprint of the template's original psyche embedded at its core level.
You lost me after... let's see.
He means it may be possible to reverse the process.
Dude. What a trip.
Cool, I guess. Al, we recovered a data disk from Nefarious's cruiser. Can you decode it?
Of course. Yes. Ooh. Omega-class asymmetric encryption. Finally, a challenge worthy of my skills. Oh, by the way, we found something interesting in Quark's quarters.
Hey, if it's another crotchetizer, I don't even want to...
It is a Quark vid-comic. Specifically, it is episode 5 of the Dr. Nefarious series. But as everyone knows, only 4 issues were ever published. Not even my pals in the Quark Cadets fan club have ever heard of this issue. And those guys are real geeks, if you know what I mean.
I sure do. Thanks, Al. We'll check it out.
Let me see. Yep. Only this one isn't complete. I didn't even play it. So yeah.
This is the true story that Captain Quark hoped you would never see. The unauthorized, uncensored, and utterly unbelievable missing chapter of the Quark comic series. Viewer discretion is advised.
Just a word of advice, Nefarious. Quit while you're ahead.
And so, Quark believed that the threat posed to the galaxy had been ended forever. But he was dead wrong.
Bottoms up.
Somebody say something.
What took you so long?
I was picking out some new curtains for the torture chamber. They're crushed velvet with a gold lame trim. Oh, I think they really add life to the space.
Never mind them now. Grab Quark and let's get out of here.
Of course, sir.
Oh, Quark. I've never met a man like you. After you, I'll be ruined for other men.
That's what they all say. Where am I?
You're in my secret prison, awaiting the most ingenious and depraved punishment I can possibly imagine. Come, Lawrence. It's time for my massage.
Oh, goody.
Using his antenna as a lockpick, Quark eventually managed to open the door to his cell.
Almost got it.
But his escape did not go unnoticed.
Uh-oh.
Okay, oh my god. I was like answering a text. And I got like a bit screwed right now. In this level I need to commit suicide to get all the tokens. Yeah, I'm going to commit suicide here. I don't really know if I missed any token.
Perhaps we should flood the facility with boiling acid. Oh, I like the way you think, Lawrence. Can we do that? Make it so.
Okay.
Says he doesn't make it.
I don't want to miss any token, and I think I'm kind of missed here. I kind of lost because there's a bifurcation, but I don't know if I already passed it.
Look out! Don't look down!
I don't think there's any tokens
Look out! Don't look
there.
down!
So
Brings me the head of Captain Quark. It's a free load job. Everyone else, just a sick
many jumps.
Turn it up, Lawrence. I love this part.
Did I miss any token? Two. There's one here. Yes, got them all. And also the health upgrade. Goody good.
After his narrow escape from the clutches of Dr. Nefarious, Quark dropped out of the public eye. Truth is, Quark was holed up in his secret hideout on the Thran asteroid, terrified that Dr. Nefarious would make good on his promise of revenge. When Nefarious didn't resurface, Quark assumed he was gone forever and returned to his career as a high-profile celebrity superhero. But the galaxy had not seen the last of Dr. Nefarious.
Ouch! What do you think you're doing, you oaf?
Do hold still, sir. This is a very delicate procedure. There, that should do the trick. Go ahead, take her for a spin.
What's going on? Where are my arms? Whose butt is this?
Oh, my mistake, sir. Dreadfully sorry.
Oh, Lance.
Oh my, we will have to get that fixed. One of these days.
I should have known Quark was full of it.
But why would Quark lie to us?
Dude, Quark is bogus, bogus, bogus.
You can ask him yourself when we see him. According to this vid-comic, Quark has a secret hideout in the Thran asteroid belt. I've got a hunch he's there right now.
He says he wants to come with us.
I don't think that... Oh, wait a minute. You speak monkey?
Oh, just enough to get by.
Now what?
He says you have ears like a Florana dung beaver.
Yeah, hilarious. Let's see if he's still laughing when he finds out his pal Quark is working with Nefarious.
Major bogus.
Surely Quark would never...
Teamed up with Drek, didn't he? And I know I don't have to remind you about that protopet business. Who knows what he's capable of?
And there's the skill point. And now let's head into Quark's hideout. Whee!
Hey, kid, the bouncer just went on sale. If you get here fast, I'll throw in a 10% smart shopper discount.
Screw you, you're going to give me that for free, and it's right away. We're going to go to Aquados really quick, just to get the bouncer. I probably won't use it that much, but since I have the save data from Ratchet Clank 2 with that weapon bot, I will get it for free. And that is the same with all the Ratchet Clank 2 weapons. And I can't wait to get my shield and that one that has electricity. I don't know. If you guys watched my Ratchet Clank 2 Let's Play, you guys know which weapon I'm talking about. Oh, here's the mini turret glove. I didn't really know it was here on sale. And the bouncer.
Looks like you two got connections in high places.
Yep. And back to Quark's hideout we go. Ratchet Clank 3 HD loading screens are bigger than Ratchet Clank 2 and 1. Here we go. Also, remember the item that we got from the last mission from the Galactic Rangers? Well, that gadget is needed for this level, so if you guys wanted to bypass that one, think again. Also, if you go back there through that place over there, see, you can go and find the PDA.
This is a warp point. The warp pad can be used wherever you find
I
a
know.
warp point. Stand on a warp point and press triangle to attach the warp pad. Then snap to that pad anytime with circle. Warp pads will disappear over time, or if you throw down a second pad.
Okay, so he was giving us the explanation, but as I was saying, if you go that way you can get the PDA like in Ratchet Clank 1. I don't know if I'll get it though. No, what the fuck? I thought that thing unequipped on its own, like the other gadgets. The first time I finished this level, it was a pain in the ass, it really was for me. Bounce my bouncer. Probably I shouldn't be using this weapon. I don't really like the bouncer. It's powerful indeed, but pretty slow. I think these ninjas are first introduced in Ratchet Clank 2 actually, in the movie. The lawn ninjas, isn't it? Yeah, no waste of ammo. Let's see if I can get another weapon. Oh, we have the Quark array. This weapon over here is pretty neat. Can create black holes, and we can actually put more than one. It will grow bigger, and I just wasted. Whoa, slow down! Woohoo! Okay, this sucked. Major fail on my part. Oh. And this weapon is slowing down the game. I don't want to die. Why are you still alive, dude? Oh wait, I thought I had got ammo for that weapon. Okay, this was a major fail. Screw that. And because I'm a nice guy, I'm going to show you guys how to get a skill point. See that snowman here? Well, break it like in Ratchet Clank 2, and it's done. What the hell was that? Ratchet went. What are you doing here? Let me check my ammo, so only 2. Gotta scratch my leg. Done. Mission accomplished. Get frozen. Damn it, I'm not going to die here. Fuck! Oh my god! Oh, fuck this. I thought I had killed everyone. Oh. Fully upgraded.
The all-powerful Gadgetron Decimator releases a vicious swarm of heat-seeking missiles. Each of the dozen missiles tracks independently.
Dude! I hate walking in this floor. This shit so much. Fuck. The wrench is so useless in this game. Ah, fuck this. I'm trying to go fast. And that's not what I'm getting. Oh, for fuck's sake! Stop! Freaking incredible. going to do this. About freaking time. And we got the Quark statue. Oh yeah, we played with Clank a second time. This is the last time we play as him, actually. I need the catch bot over there. Follow me. Stupid catch bot. These lasers, I think they can kill me if I simply touch them a single time. So might as well not try to touch them. And they fall in the perfect order for me to cross over, don't you guys think? I don't know if you guys noticed, but Clank was going to say no monkeying around, because that's the same exact cutscene that appears when we're at Aquados. I think it's Aquados. It's the same exact scene, but they tried to cut out the part that it says no monkeying around. Monkeying, you know. Get out of here, monkey. Dude! How the hell is it? Oh, fuck. Oh, we played 3 times in this game as Clank. Now that I remember it, we played 3 times. And only 1 time as Giant Clank. Stupid freaking monkey. He's like, what the fuck are you guys doing here? Didn't it destroy? We must be careful here. Can you enter that thing from here? Enter. Okay. Okay, it went. Nice. Freaking retarded. It's over, I think. Yep.
Hey, little buddy. How'd you find me here?
We found your secret vid-comic, Quark.
Oh, that. Well, I don't expect you to understand. You'll probably look at me and think, I'd give anything for a body like that. For just one drop of his raw animal magnetism, one iota of his impeccable...
Can we just skip to the end, please?
Let's see, where was I? Sexy, charming, brilliant, iron, hard, abs. Ah, yes, but despite my outward appearance of utter perfection, well,
Deep inside, you're a cowardly wuss?
No, not exactly. When I escaped from that star cruiser, cheating death by mere nanoseconds, I suddenly realized something very important. I could have died! Me, Captain Quark! Imagine an entire galaxy with no more me. And for what cause? So, a few trillion people get turned into robots. Who am I to say who should or shouldn't be turned into a robot?
You're pathetic, Quark. I can't believe I once looked up to you. Let's go, Clank.
The people of this galaxy need you, Quark. They believe in you. You can give them hope. You have a chance to redeem yourself and become the hero you have always wanted to be.
And Quark was in his pajamas. Pajamas. I'm in pajamas. Okay, I could go that way, but I don't really feel like it. There's only the PDA that I don't really use.
Ratchet! Where have you been?
We were just...
Never mind. The Phoenix is under attack. Our shields are...
Sasha!
...to 40%. Life support systems are... I think they're getting... aboard the ship. Whatever's on that disk has Nefarious worried. Do anything to get it back. Hey, Hotshot. If I don't get to see you again, I just wanted to say...
The signal is lost.
Engage the gravimetric warp drive.
No, shit just got serious.